getting ready to start the second day of the road trip, and we're getting gas, and Chuck and Joe,
Actually got to pull out the sunglasses.
TT,
hell yeah,
and Chocolate
that's a
Man
good
from
sign.
Thailand, and Mitch back there, and Joe. So we're getting ready to go. Alrighty, here we go. So anyway, stop for lunch at this place here. Ended up trying two different types of food over there. Ended up with a kebab of some sort. It was pretty good, wasn't bad. The meat that I got was liver, not my favorite choice, but it wasn't bad. We're getting ready. Everybody's getting out of their rain gear, and we'll get back on the road here in a minute. So I'll catch up with you guys in just a few.
It's a beautiful ride.
Yeah,
beautiful ride.
Right?
Nice and curvy.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Wait, I don't think I got this guy on video yet. So tell us all about yourself, man. Who are you?
I'm T, Teacher T.
Teacher T. Why do you speak English so well?
I spent 8 years in America studying, and now I'm back home working as a teacher.
All right.
Teaching vocational subject.
Awesome. Are you a YouTuber?
I'm going to be next year. I'm gonna start uploading my videos.
Well, you got to tell us your channel name.
It's Thai Nomad. I'm forgetting my name, my YouTube name. It's Thai Nomad, but I'm gonna start posting my videos next year because I'm gonna be doing it with my wife. So
Awesome, brother.
Good.
All right, well, we'll put that link down below and you can check him out. This dude's awesome. He's been our little tour guide. He led us here to this awesome place. Look at this, guys. Woo! I love dams. You guys know me. I'm a total geek. I love all this stuff, man. I'm a total nature geek. I'm a dam geek. I'm a tree geek. Whatever. I can't get enough. They're out here filming the ladies. They got the jackets signed. You're a damn geek, period.
Took a stop up here at this dam. Pretty cool. Very nice. Very tranquil. Too bad I don't have a drone. Would have been a perfect place for one. And after this, then we'll get back on the road and head to our next destination. Hopefully everybody will follow, and everybody else, like I said before, everybody else is documenting the trip too. So you will get plenty of video and footage of
Get a view of Dave's butt and the bikes here.
How nice.